Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a thrilling showdown between two prominent prop trading firms, Apex Trader Funding and Leeloo Trading. If you're looking to unlock your trading potential, understanding the differences between these firms could make all the difference in your journey. So, stick around as we break down key comparisons and help you choose the best fit for your trading style. First up, let's talk about profit splits and fees, which are critical for your earnings. Apex Trader Funding offers a competitive 90% profit split starting from $137 per month with a maximum balance of $300,000. That means you get to keep more of what you earn. Leeloo Trading features a performance-based profit split that can go up to 90% as well, but their fees start from just $26 per month. A great option for those starting out. Higher profit splits mean more money in your pocket. Make sure to consider which fee structure aligns with your trading habits. Comment below which profit split sounds more appealing to you. Next, let's discuss program eligibility criteria, which can significantly impact your trading journey. Apex, established in 2017, offers a robust selection of futures with a challenge duration of 60 days. They also have a streamlined eligibility process. Leeloo, a newer firm founded in 2019, allows for more CFDs and has a shorter challenge duration of 30 days. This can push you to act quicker. Choose based on how much time you want to invest in meeting eligibility requirements. When you're ready to trade, you don't want to wait around. So, how quickly can you access your funds? Apex has a thorough verification process, but generally offers swift funding access. Leeloo is known for their faster fund transfer speeds, getting you trading quicker. If you need quick access to capital, Leeloo might be the better option. Hit that like button if you want faster funding access in your trading journey. Now, let's dive into customer satisfaction ratings, an essential factor in choosing a prop firm. Apex Trader Funding receives high praise for its clear eligibility criteria. Leeloo Trading has traders raving about its transparent program rules and community support. High customer satisfaction can lead to a smoother trading experience. Next, how do these firms accommodate different trading styles? Apex allows for scalping, swing trading, and algorithmic trading, but offers limited account customization. Leeloo also supports various styles with high levels of account customization. If flexibility is key for your trading strategies, Leeloo could be the better fit. Let us know your trading style in the comments below. Last but not least, let's evaluate their platform accessibility. Leeloo offers a user-friendly mobile app for trading on the go with a sleek design. Apex focuses on a responsive web platform, which is reliable but less intuitive. If you prioritize mobile trading, Leeloo could enhance your experience. So, there you have it. Whether you choose Apex Trader Funding or Leeloo Trading, each firm has its unique strengths tailored to different trading styles and preferences. Remember to consider profit splits, program eligibility, funding speed, customer satisfaction, trading style flexibility, and platform accessibility when making your decision. If you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more trading insights. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more prop trading options and strategies.